Drink this smoothie to regulate high blood pressure. Ditch your morning coffee and start your day with this tasty and healthy potassium-packed smoothie to control high blood pressure, also called hypertension. You can enjoy this smoothie for overall health even if you do not suffer from high blood pressure. High blood pressure is a serious condition that, if left untreated, can lead to damage to your heart, blood vessels, kidneys and other parts of your body. To keep it in check, it is essential to modify your diet and lifestyle. For example, experts recommend that people with high blood pressure eat a balanced and nutritious diet, restrict sodium intake, limit alcohol intake, cut back on caffeine, exercise regularly, watch their waistline and reduce stress in their life. Eating foods rich in vitamin C and potassium are particularly beneficial. Several studies have found that these nutrients help lower blood pressure. The antioxidant vitamin C helps neutralize free radicals and relax the blood vessel walls. It works as a diuretic to remove excess sodium and water from the body. Potassium also helps reduce blood pressure, especially systolic blood pressure, as it increases the excretion of sodium. So, for a healthy dose of vitamin C, we have included fresh strawberries and kiwi in this smoothie. Strawberries also contain potassium. Plus, bananas are a good source of potassium. We have also added ground flaxseed for its fiber content. Dairy products add to the health benefits of this smoothie. In fact, a 2013 study published in the journal Nutrition Reviews found that people who consumed at least 3 servings of dairy products a day had lower blood pressure and a lower risk for heart disease. This recipe includes skim milk and low-fat yogurt. You can also add garden cress to enhance the smoothie's flavor. Plus, this herb is rich in vitamins A, C and K, and offers cardiovascular benefits. How to make a healthy breakfast smoothie for high blood pressure. Things you will need: ½ cup of skim milk, ½ cup of low-fat yogurt, ½ cup of strawberries, a banana, a kiwi, a spoonful of ground flaxseed. Add a little garden cress, optional. Method: 1. Pour ½ cup of skim milk into a blender. 2. Add ½ cup of low-fat yogurt. 3. Toss in ½ cup of sliced strawberries. 4. Slice 1 banana into it. 5. Add the chunks of 1 peeled kiwi. 6. Add a spoonful of ground flax seeds. 7. Blend the mixture for a couple of minutes. 8. Optionally, chop and add a little garden cress and blend again. 9. Pour the smoothie into a glass. You can now enjoy your healthy morning smoothie to help lower high blood pressure. Drink it daily or several times a week. Note: do not forget to take the blood pressure medication prescribed by your doctor. Use this recipe as an adjunct treatment and keep monitoring your blood pressure readings. Tips: use coconut milk instead of skim milk to add more nutrition. Make this smoothie healthier and aid detoxification by adding a handful of spinach and ½ cup of cooked beets. Make sure to wash the spinach leaves thoroughly before adding. Both these vegetables are rich in vitamins A and C, iron, magnesium and nitrates. The nitrates are converted into nitric acid, which helps open up blood vessels and helps lower blood pressure. If you have chia seeds, use 1 tablespoon of chia seeds soaked in water in place of the flax seeds. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.